In today's video, we're going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing website in 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools that you need to start your very own affiliate marketing website in 2024. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Essentially, you act as a middleman, connecting customers with the products they need while earning a cut of the profits. Types of affiliate marketing. There are three main types of affiliate marketing. Unattached affiliate marketing, meaning that you have no connection to the product or service that you're promoting. You don't have any authority or expertise in the niche of the product. This type relies on paid ads and targeting a wide audience. Related affiliate marketing. You promote products or services that are related to your niche. You have some level of authority and experience with the products, but you don't necessarily use them. This is common for blogs, influencers, and websites related to the product niche. Involved affiliate marketing. You promote products and services that you actually use and can vouch for. This type builds a stronger trust with your audience as your recommendations are based on personal experience. Why start an affiliate marketing website? Starting an affiliate marketing website has several benefits. Low startup costs. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. You can start with a very minimal investment in hosting and domain. Scalability. You can promote products from multiple companies and earn from all of them. As your website grows, your income potential increases. Passive income. Your website can earn money 24/7 even while you're asleep. Once set up, your site can generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Creative freedom. You can create engaging content tailored to your audience's interests. You have full control over the design, content, and strategy of your website. Step 1, choose your niche. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to focus on a specific niche. Here's how you can find yours. Identify your interests. Choose a niche you're passionate about. This will make it easier to create content and stay motivated. Think about hobbies, skills, or topics that you enjoy. Research market demand. Use tools like SEMrush to see if there's a demand for content in your chosen niche. Look for niches with steady growing interest over time. You can sign up for a free 14-day trial to SEMrush using the link down in the description. Once you get started with SEMrush, you can go ahead and come to their keyword magic tool, which is great for researching market demand. You can go ahead and type in any keywords that are relevant to your product or your brand or your niche, and you're going to be able to see the search volume and the trend for that search volume. You also get a keyword difficulty score, which shows you how difficult it is to rank for that given keyword. Analyze the competition. Ensure that there's not too much competition, but enough to indicate a healthy market. High competition might mean it's harder to rank, but no competition could indicate a lack of interest. Evaluate monetization potential. Consider whether the niche has products or services that are easy to promote. Look for affiliate programs with good commission rates and a variety of products. Step 2, find affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, look for affiliate programs that offer products or services that are relevant to your niche. Here are some key points to consider. Check program reputation. Choose programs with a good reputation. Read reviews and testimonials from other affiliates to gauge their experience. Review commission structure. Look for programs that offer attractive commissions. This can be a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount per transaction. Higher commissions means more profit for you. Understand terms and conditions. Ensure that you understand the program's terms, especially regarding payments, minimum payout thresholds, and regional restrictions. Some programs may have specific rules about how you can promote their products. Explore payment methods. Make sure that the program offers payment methods that are convenient for you. Common options include PayPal, bank transfer, and checks. International availability. Check whether the program is available internationally or only in specific countries. This can affect your potential audience and earnings. Step 3, set up your website. Now let's get to the technical part, setting up your affiliate marketing website. So start by signing up with Hostinger and choosing a plan that suits your needs. We recommend Hostinger because it's very affordable, easy to use. It's what we use for our own websites, and we have a special offer for you to get the best pricing using Hostinger. If you want to get started with Hostinger today, go ahead and click the link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page here. From here, you go ahead and click on Start Now, and you can go ahead and see the different plans that Hostinger offers. There's the Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup, but for most of you watching, the Premium plan is more than enough. You can create 100 websites with it. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, WordPress vulnerability scanner, WordPress auto updates, standard WordPress acceleration, unlimited bandwidth, free domain, free CDN, WordPress AI tools, WordPress staging tool, dedicated IP address, and more. So go ahead and click on Choose Plan, and here you'll be able to choose the length of the term that you want to sign up for. There's a 1-month option, a 12-month option, a 24-month option, option and a 48-month option. We recommend anything other than the 1-month option because you get a free domain on the 12, 24, or 48-month option, and you're going to save more money. Let's go ahead and select the 12-month option and come on down here to the checkout area. And if you come to the coupon code, go ahead and type in my first website, click apply, and you're going to get even more savings. So for $34.45, you're going to get a year of hosting on Hostinger, and you'll be able to create 100 websites. Hostinger also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for some reason in the first 30 days, Hostinger isn't for you, you can go ahead and get a full refund. Once you get signed up for Hostinger, it's going to look like this, and you'll be able to see the hosting plan that you selected. From here, what you're going to want to do is go over to domains, and this is where you can go ahead and claim your free domain. You can go ahead and search for your desired domain here. Now, a couple things to keep in mind with your domain is you want to keep it short and memorable. Avoid long, complex names. You want to avoid hyphens and numbers as they can make your domain look unprofessional. And obviously check availability and use a domain checker to ensure that your chosen name is available, like what's built in here to Hostinger. Once you go ahead and select your domain, come over here to websites, click on add website in the top right, and you can either choose WordPress or Hostinger website builder. WordPress gives you a little bit more customization, but requires a little bit more technical know-how. And the Hostinger website builder is an AI powered drag and drop website builder that's great for beginners. So this option, we're going to go ahead and select WordPress. So after you go ahead and click on WordPress, it'll come here and ask if you want to create or migrate a website. We'll go ahead and click create a website and hit next. Next, it's going to ask how you want to build your website, either WordPress with AI or Hostinger web builder. We'll go ahead and select WordPress with AI. Next, it's just going to ask you to create login details for your WordPress account. Next, it's going to ask what type of website do you want to build? Online store, blog, portfolio, businesses and services, affiliate marketing site, or other. Since we're building an affiliate marketing site, we'll go ahead and click on that and click next. Here, it's saying you can preview how your affiliate marketing site will look, or you can also browse more templates. So let's go ahead and look at other templates. Here, you can go ahead and look at pre-built websites or choose from other themes. Now, what's great about this is you can get a professional looking website instantly with very minimal customization, which would be a lot easier than trying to build something from scratch. So let's look at the pre-built websites, and you can go ahead and click on the little drop down menu over here and look for other kinds of pre-built websites. So let's go ahead and just use what it gives us here, and we'll go ahead and click next. Next, it's going to ask if you want to install some plugins here. It automatically selected these ones, and for now, that's okay. We can go ahead and change this later. So we'll go ahead and click next. Next, it's going to ask if you want to generate affiliate marketing content with AI. So you can type in a brand name and your description, and it'll go ahead and make some content for you. But for now, we'll go ahead and skip that. And if you didn't register your domain or subdomain, it's going to ask you which subdomain or domain you'd like to use. And for now, I'm just going to use a temporary domain. And next, it's going to be installing WordPress, which is going to take just a couple of minutes. Okay, and once that process is complete, you can go ahead and click on the WordPress admin panel here in the top right to be taken over to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, from here, let's go ahead and preview the website to see which template it auto-populated for our affiliate marketing website. Okay, so it looks like it didn't really work. So what we're going to go ahead and do is come back here, and if you ever wanted to change your theme, this is a good learning experience here. You can go ahead and come over here to appearances, click on themes, and here we can go ahead and search for different themes. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and choose this one. We'll click activate, and here we'll go ahead and click on customize. Now that we have chosen our theme, now we can go ahead and customize it however we'd like. So for example, we can come up here, and wherever we select on either this header or this subheader here, we have some different options here that we can change. So we can change the alignment, bold, italicize, along with all these other options. This isn't going to be a super in-depth tutorial on how to customize a WordPress website. You can go ahead and come in here and play around with it and get started. And we also have other videos on our channel that go more in depth on how to create custom WordPress websites. Now, if you wanted to add something to the page that wasn't here, you can go ahead and come up here to the top left and hit this plus sign. And here you can add all these different types of blocks. So you can add different text blocks, different media blocks, anything that you'd want to add to your website, you can do so right here. And it's super easy to do with WordPress. So here are a few design tips to keep in mind. Keep it simple. A clean and simple design is more effective. Consistent branding. Use consistent colors, fonts, and styles. User-friendly navigation. Ensure that your site is easy to navigate. Mobile optimization. Make sure that your site looks good on mobile devices, as in this day and age, most people are searching on their phones. Step 6, create high quality content. Your content is the backbone of your affiliate website. Here are some tips for creating engaging posts. Do keyword research. Use tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush to find relevant keywords. Focus on long tail keywords that have lower competition but high intent. Write in-depth reviews. Provide valuable information and honest opinions. Include pros and cons, features, and personal experiences. Use a conversational tone to engage your readers. Use SEO best practices. Optimize your posts with keywords, keywords, headings, and high quality images. Include meta descriptions, alt text for images, and internal links to other relevant posts on your site. Create different types of content. Diversify your content to keep your audience engaged. Here are some types of content that you can create. Product reviews, in-depth reviews of affiliate products, comparison posts, compare different products or services, how-to guides, tutorials and guides related to your niche, list posts, lists of top products or tips, blog posts, regular updates and insights related to your niche. Include affiliate links. Naturally place affiliate links where they make sense and provide value. Avoid overloading your content with links, as this can seem spammy. Step 7, promote your website. Promotion is key to driving traffic to your website and increasing your affiliate income. On-page SEO. Optimize your content for search engines. Use focused keywords. Incorporate them naturally into your content. Optimize meta descriptions. Summarize your content and include keywords. Add alt text to images. Describe the images and include keywords. Internal linking. Link to other relevant posts on your site. Off-page SEO. Build backlinks to increase your site's authority. Share posts on social media. Promote your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. Guest posting. Write guest posts for other blogs in your niche. Influencer outreach. Connect with influencers who can share your content. Email marketing. Build an email list to engage with your audience. Create subscription forms. Use plugins like Opt-in Monster to create forms. Send regular newsletters. Share new posts, updates, and exclusive content. Personalize emails. Use your subscribers' names and tailor content to their interests. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Create social media profiles. Set up profiles for your website on major platforms. Share content regularly. Post links to your blog posts, reviews, and guides. Engage with followers. Respond to comments and messages to build a community. Step 8, monitor your performance. Use tools like Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and SEMrush to track your website's performance. Google Search Console. Verify your site. Add a TXT record to your DNS setting to verify ownership. Monitor search performance. Check which keywords bring traffic to your site. Identify issues. Fix and find errors that affect your site's performance. Google Analytics. Track visitor behavior. Understand how visitors interact with your site. Monitor traffic sources. See where your traffic is coming from. Measure conversions. Track how many visitors complete desired actions like clicking on affiliate links. Step 9, advanced strategies for success. As your affiliate marketing website grows, consider implementing advanced strategies to maximize your success. A/B testing. Experiment with different elements on your site to see what works best. Test headlines. Try different headlines to see which gets more clicks. Experiment with CTAs. Change the wording, color, and placement of your calls to action. Analyze results. Use tools like Google Optimize to track the performance of your test. Content repurposing. Repurpose your existing content to reach a broader audience. Create videos. Turn blog posts into YouTube videos or Instagram stories. Infographics. Design infographics to summarize key points from your articles. Podcasts. Discuss your blog topics in podcast episodes. Automation. Use automation tools to save time and streamline your processes. Email marketing. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to automate your email campaigns. Social media. Schedule posts in advance using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. SEO. Automate keyword research and tracking with tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. Starting an affiliate marketing website in 2024 can be a lucrative and fulfilling endeavor. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful affiliate website that generates passive income. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly update your content, monitor your performance, and adapt your strategies based on your findings. Now, don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on web development and design. Also, be sure to use the link down in the description and the discount code MyFirstWebsite to get the best deal with Hostinger. These are affiliate links and they do help out the channel, so if you do end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And there's no extra cost to you. In fact, you're going to get a good discount if you use those links and codes. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.